How to save all emails on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All beside Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud over here. Then, scroll down and tap on iCloud Mail. Here, turn on the use on this iPhone switch as shown. Now, go back and open up Safari. Once you're here, go to privacy.apple.com. On this page, tap on Request a copy of your data. Scroll down and select iCloud Mail. And then, tap on Continue below. Choose a file size from here and then tap on Complete Request. Following these steps, you can easily save all emails on iPhone.